Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to change taskbar size in Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to a search box and type a registry editor. Open a registry editor, right click run as administrator. Okay guys, after opening that, first of all, select the H key current user and expand it. After that, select a software and expand it. After doing this tab, find out a Microsoft and expand it. After doing this tab, scroll down and find out a Windows and expand it. Select the current version and expand it. After doing this tab, scroll down and find out Explorer and expand it. After doing this tab, select the advanced. Okay guys, right click, click on new and select a word 32-bit value and set a name is T for capital taskbar SI. S is a capital. Select it, click on open and set a value data 0 for small, 1 for standard size and 2 is a extra large. So I am 0 for small and 1 is a standard size and 2 is a large size. So I select the 0 for small. Click on OK button. Minimize it. Close the registry editor. Close it. After that, go to your start menu. Right click. Go to your task manager. After doing this tab, scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer and click on a restart. Now you can see data. The task manager. Now you can see data taskbar size is smaller. If you want to extra large or increase that, once again go to your registry editor, right click run as administrator, go to your H key current user software and expand it. After that, find out a Microsoft and expand it. After doing this tab, find out a Windows and expand it. Select a current version, expand it. After doing this tab, find out Explorer and expand it. Go to your advanced section and task SI if you want to standard size, then select a 1 and click on OK button. Now right click on a start menu, go to your once again task manager, select a Windows Explorer and restart it. And now after that, now you can see data standard sizes applicable. So this is a way to change taskbar size in Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.